Yes, you look at those facts in conjunction with what is provided for in section 27. But on the facts, what is it that made you satisfied that the jurisdictional facts had been met?
It's what was being said there. A person has been appointed in a technical post without qualifications. It's a civilian. For me, that amounts to fraud and corruption that need to be looked at, to be verified.
At this stage, I will say that's a quantum leap in logic, but I'm sure Ms. Sillo is still going to come to that. It's a quantum leap in logic, because you know that many people get appointed in SAPS without, they cannot even salute, but they are appointed because of their expertise. I'm not necessarily saying Ms. Mukwele had that expertise,